Well, apologies if this is looking a bit different than normal. I just wanted to get in the Vivaro and go, and it's not going. Now, it did fire up briefly for a few seconds and then cut off, and now it's just cranking. And yeah, let's flip you around again. Nope, that's the wrong button. I don't know how to work this machine. New phone. Anyway, we'll try it again and then have a look under the bonnet. Yeah, it's cranking, and then before the check engine light briefly came on, but it's not now. Wiggling the key, it's not that. So I guess we're going to look under the bonnet. Perhaps I'll get the proper camera. We're under the bonnet. Got the proper camera now, and I've just been looking round. I popped that one off by squeezing the two green bits. Dry as a bone in there, dry as a bone in there as well. So I popped that off. The non-return valve is working, so I started pumping, and then got squirted in the face. I don't know where I'm gonna, if I can get it to go up again. I'll take a bit of priming. So what I think is happening, that is squirt. See it squirting out? I don't know if you can, but it is squirting out fuel. Did actually squirt me in the face. So what's happened is, I'm hoping it's not been chewed. I think it's just got perished, and it's let all the fuel run back down. That's why it started. It ran for a little bit with what was left in the fuel filter, and the rest is all run back to the tank. So ultimately I'm going to have to get another one of these. I think I'm hoping that I can prime by covering up with my finger, maybe get some fuel out there, and then down there take the same thing off, and get it running until I can get a replacement hose. I might have to fudge something in here, I don't know. I'll try and work that out. Right, I'm just going to pop this one off, just got to squeeze that, and then I was going to cover up the hole on there, and hopefully we can, oh yeah, so we feel that filter's full ish. Yeah, I'll put that back on and I'll give it a bit more. You can feel it sucking in air. Yeah, that's better. And next I'll go down the bottom, take the bottom of that pipe off, and we'll check. Saying that, it's doing it now. That seems to be priming now. There's some air bubbles. See the bubbles? So I've just got my thumb over the hole. I'll keep doing this for a bit, and then we'll see if it cranks. Really, I don't want to. It's going to suck in a lot of air through this hole, isn't it? If I just do that quickly, maybe it might not, I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna, no, let's let it all go back down. I'm gonna just crack that one off. I can't do it with one hand, I know, I've tried before. Get fuel down there. If I get fuel down there, we'll try and crank it. If it starts, we know that's the issue. I just popped that one off, and we definitely got fuel down there. You can see it now. But yeah, I'm just going to go in, crank it a bit, and make sure. That's what the problem is. That was just the magnet going on there, sorry. Right, let's see what happens. Yep. Right, I'm going to shut it off because I don't want to run it out. So yeah, it's fuel. Let's try and find some bits on Bank Holiday Monday, just after New Year's. So right on form, it starts raining when you can't move your vehicle somewhere dry. So there we go. I'm going to try and get this off. These are a pain to get off. I'm going to use a hot air gun just to warm it up, hopefully make it a little bit easier to get off. Obviously don't use a flame because it's a diesel pipe. So let's see if I can get that flipping thing off. I'm doing more damage than good. I think I'm just going to cut it off. We've got plenty of slack here. Yeah, let's do that. Right, let's move this out of the way. I've got my friend Stan Lee to help me get this pipe off. Hopefully it'll be alright. There. Alright, let's see what I can come up with. Right, we're back from good old Holford's, and I've got a diesel priming pump and some 8mm fuel hose. So let's see what we can cobble back together to get us running. It's still raining. I'll be back. So this is what I've cobbled up. So it's just a bit of flexi with Jubilees on it, and this is a priming pump, and that's our original fitting. So let's hopefully get this together. I've got a little clamp to go on the bottom as well. Right, oh sorry, you're covered in rain. Right, here we go. So that's what we got. I'm gonna move that bottom hose there a little bit because it's almost got a kink in it. So next thing I'm gonna do is just prime it up and we'll have a go. Just priming it up now, hopefully we'll get something out there. Oh, blimey, yeah, that's see it. There it goes. Right, let's shut that. And then again, I'll do that one down there, which you won't be able to see down there, and hopefully we'll be well away. Just squirted fuel out of that one there, that one. So let's see if we can get a start. Whew. And I've got water running down my legs. Look, I'm all wet. I'm too soft for this. Getting too old. Right, see what happens. Out of gear. Well, that seems alright. See if we've got any leaks. All looks good to me. Nice one. Well, all looks good. I think that'll do until we can order some new parts. Hopefully only in a couple of days. Well, we're back, and that quarter of a second for you ended up being 4 months for me. No excuses, whatever. Anyway, our temporary fix is still working, no leaks, perfect. And within a couple of weeks I had got a replacement tube. So this goes all the way back to the tank and includes a new bulb. I have found out in the last week that I can actually get this, just this bulb with the correct angle from eBay, which is a bit frustrating because this was around, I can't remember, £28, £30, something like that. And really all I needed to replace was the split bulb, but I couldn't get the hoses off if I can remember rightly. Anyway, I'm waffling on. I do apologise if I'm repeating myself because like I say, it's been 4 months and I can't remember what happened last week, let alone that. So anyway, let's get this thing up on stands because I can't fit me big belly underneath that. We'll get it up and then we'll have a look at the routing, see where it goes. Right, let's get you underneath and see what we can see. So underneath, it is still a tight squeeze. Sorry, I'm wiggling around. But obviously that's the front of the vehicle down there. That's the engine heading in there somewhere. This is the pipe we want to change, that one. So it shoots up there and it sort of runs in behind that brake pipe along the chassis rail here, across the top of the tank and into where I guess the sender unit is or something up there. Can you see it? It's pretty tight up here. I can see it with my hand. So yeah, I was going to hopefully set you up and do a bit of time lapse, but I don't think you're going to see a thing under here. So yeah, I'm going to try and do it without dropping the tank. I'm going to have to clean up all around there a little bit. But yeah, let's have a go. I'm sorry, I'm not going to show you. I'll show you after I've finished, and I'll tell you all about it. Okay, well, I'd like to say that was easy. It wasn't. But we're all in. Oh, can you see? Sorry if you can't see. I'm laid on my back. It's up there anyway. The new hose is fitted. It's all run. Or run. Where the old one was. I haven't actually pulled the old one out. It's still there. So yeah, just got to go up top and connect it up. I don't know if you can see. I'll shine a light up there. It runs all up in the original clips, and it's clear of the steering column, which is the main thing I think that moves around there. But it's the original run. Oh, sorry, but yeah, it's there. Let's get up the top and try and get some fuel out of it. We're back in the engine bay. We've got our new pipe with a pump here, and obviously that's the filter. So let's hope we get some fuel through. I know the tank's a bit low, but well, should we give it a pump? Quite stiff. Let's pump away. Well, I've been pumping this thing for ages and nothing's happened, and I've actually stuck this in my mouth and blown back, and I can hear it bubbling in the tank, which means this brand new non-return valve in here isn't working, and I don't know what to do now. So I might just sit down, have some lunch and have a think. So bear with. Well, I'm hoping I've got something through, but after much pumping and I had to put a little bit of oil down here, I think I've finally got it. Look. But that should have been better than that. So moral of this story is check yours before you fit it. I'm going to plug this in and then we'll bleed the filter. So there's a little bleed dingy doofer. So we'll open that up and hopefully I've just got some rags down here. We'll get some fuel out of it. Famous last words. Here we go. There we go. Trying to get it out airless, so I think that's about it. There's a bit of air in there still. Right, let's close that up. And let's have a bit of a clear up. Just going to start it up. Can you check for leaks for me, please? Thank you. Can't see them obvious. Right, there we go, all done. I haven't got a light, but yep, it's all in, no leaks, all good to go. Now, would I recommend doing this job? No. if you don't need to change the hose from the tank to the filter, and you can find just the plunger and you can plumb it in, the hard pipes are a bit awkward, I'd recommend just changing the bulb. Like I said, I couldn't find a bulb when I back in January, where I just fixed this up temporarily, and I used just bits I could get from Whole Foods. So you know, it was a temporary thing and it did its job, but I wanted to get it back to standard, as reliable as we can, and I've done it. But changing that hose was a complete and utter pain in the arse. So I would say, unless you have to, just try and change the bulb. Anyway, I waffled on enough, I wasted enough of your time, and I thank you for watching. Thank you for coming along on another Vinny journey. Instagram, we've got our Instagram account, look us up, Larks_workshop, and basically I hope to see you next time. Cheers then. I do think I'm getting too old for working in this outside cold wet malarkey. Yeah. Oh well, go on in. Yeah, I think I was going to set you up on a tripod and do time lapse, but all you're going to see is the back of my head. You don't want to see my ugly face, so yeah, I'll just go on and do it. I was hoping to show you, sorry. Just realised the camera's upside down, this could be interesting. Yeah, this is trying my patience a bit. Just a test. Turning it round. I'm spinning it on the foam. Now I'm spinning it on the other. I don't know what makes all the noise.